Oh, yes, yes. Actually, as today's Teachers' Day, I think I can tell you the assets of mine which I got because of being a teacher. That is what I can tell. So 1 minute story or 2 minute story I can tell. That is what. Actually, when I asked about my son, whether any student's day is there or not, I was asking. Yes. He is also a student. That is why I asked him. Happy Teachers' Day. He was wishing me. Yes, yes. No, no. Definitely, I will take class, Dinesh. Yes. So he told him, Mommy, every day is Students' Day only. We are always happy. We are making you happy only always. Not as a mother, he told. So I felt, yes, definitely, only because of you students only we are happy. Or we are with you, the 22 maximum, how many years? 18 to 22, the cream time which I am getting or spending with you. So even though our age is increasing, we are not feeling like that we are becoming old. We are again reducing the age like that a feeling we will be getting when we come into the class. Yes, that is what a feeling. So that is the first thing. And another point which I want to tell, which I experienced. Since when I went to a faculty development program in Vijayawada, not now, very early stage, that means initial stage of my teaching, that time, when I went there, I came, actually I am accent, you can understand, I know very well. So from that, when I went there, actually just for the sightseeing only we went there evening, not evening, one full day we took it. We took permission and we went out. Then when we went to see the seashore, actually, but all of a sudden I have seen my one of my student and I got a chance to see the entire ship which it was parking there. That may, what we will be doing the word, what we will be using the word. Yes. So that happiness even now I am remembering. As I have, we might have traveled through cars, bus, flights, all that, but ship, it is very difficult. That means very less number of people might have gone through that. Actually, I got a chance for that. Yes, that is what. So I really, even now also, I will remember. So many other incidents happened, but this incident, every Teacher's Day, I will remember. That means that boy, or I could find out a ship engineer whom I could find, my first batch of student. I could see. Actually, I could not recognize him since you people will grow very fast, so we may not be able to make out. But you can make out us. Even today also I got a call from one boy, 2018 batch passed out. He is working in Amazon. He called, so the happiness, so many of you also wished me, but I am telling us just one or two incidents which I felt. You also wished me a lot. That is different. We are in touch. That is the difference. So we will feel very happy. That is what actually I am teaching every year around 200 students I am teaching, or minimum 180, 3 sessions if I am going, 180 students. So like that, last so many years I have taught so many students, at least one or two when I get a call or a message. That is the best award which I got, I feel like that. Best award. Yes. Or the asset which I am having, that is what I feel. Okay, thank you. I could convey that to you also. Okay, thank you very much. We will go to the class. Okay. Okay, last day's problem itself we will. Yeah, yes, yes, definitely I will tell you. And one more point. Okay, Dinesh, you have asked. Once I have read that Sudha Krishnamurti, anyway, you all are familiar with with her. So she was telling that whenever she give a speech any other places, she will ask, or whenever her student, she will ask, so many things I have taught about, are you remembering? They will tell, no madam, we are not remembering that things that much, but whatever stories you have told us, that we are remembering, that they will tell. Like that she started writing, she will be telling. So that is the main thing. What stories we will be telling, that you will remember much better than what we are teaching. Am I correct? Yes. Okay. going to the topic. Enough, Dinesh. Okay, thank you. Okay, last day's problem, actually some of you missed. To that I am going. And, okay, some of, so I will take that question itself first. Okay. Mean of the population you have seen, standard deviation of the population you have seen. You can make a, but a standard formula, mean you got 6 in this problem. Yes. And standard deviation, I have small correction I have done. I cannot tell that it is a correction, since for your understanding purpose only you can use this sigma xi minus mu by capital letter N I have written. Mu is definitely the mean of the population. N is the number of observations in the population. Okay, thank you. Yes, now we will go to variance over. Now we are going the sample. Sample with replacement, we have seen all these 2, 2, 3, 2, 6, 2, 8, 2, 11. Like that we will be having 25 observations. 25 observation with replacement n power n is coming, n power n. Okay. Now we have found out the mean. Mean we have found out. All of you, did you find out the mean? Yes. Did you find out the mean? Yes. Then we have gone for the variance. Some of you asked the last slide yesterday. That is why I am taking it again. Those who want, you tell. I will wait for you. Otherwise, I will go to the variance. Hello? Can you hear? Yes. Slide also, can you see? Can you see? Slide, can you see? Okay, all right. You can hear also. Okay, all right, okay. So, variance. Variance we will see. Variance with replacement formula. With replacement formula, the variance is sigma square by n. Sigma square by n. With replacement. So, it will become, the number will be increasing from the finite population. We are making the sample. So, with replacement means we will be taking the infinite population. Don't ask a question, the number of observations are finite in that. It can be more, so many, when our number is very small. That is why we got that many number. Okay, standard deviation. Standard deviation of the sampling distribution, just positive square root. Positive square root. Yes, students, all of you, you can interact. Today we had a meeting with coordinator and HODs. Those who are keeping quiet, to them only I am telling. Yes. So we want to find out what are your problems, whether you want special attention or not, we want to find out. That is the main thing. Actually, 25 students regularly interacting with me. That is not enough for us. We are having 540 children. At least we need, everybody should open at least yes ma'am or no ma'am. Yeah? We understood, not understood. At least we should be able to understand what is your problem. We have to find out. So the next class, Tuesday, we all 9 sections, we are going to, our COSM team is going to interact with each class separately, not in the tele-unit class. First of all, we will interact with you, what you want, what is your problem, you want a special attention or not, we should find out. Then only we can proceed. Already I have completed 2.5 units. So we are having enough time to find out your problem. So you interact with your concerned faculty and tell whether you need a special attention or not. This will not work. 25 students answering. You should answer, all of you. Yes. Okay, I am going to the next problem. Anyone is keeping the mic open, please mute it. COSM team.
Arrange అయిపోయినాయి ప్లీజ్.
Don't close my mic. Yes. Okay, I am taking another problem, students. A population consists of 5 numbers, 2, 3, 6, 8 and 11. Consider all possible samples of size 2 that can be drawn without replacement. Now we are going for without replacement from this population. Find the mean of the population, standard deviation of the population, mean of the sampling distribution of means, the standard deviation of the sampling distribution of means. Without replacement, I am moving your chat box. You sometime don't write anything, you listen what I am telling. I can see whatever you write. Okay. So the population is same thing, with same problem only I have taken without replacement. 2, 3, 6, 8, 11. Population is like that. So mean of the population, standard deviation of the population, you can find out how you have done it in the last class. Mean of the population or standard deviation of the population. Both you can find out. Okay. I will show the slide again. I know that all of you are interacting with me already completed. For others, I am showing the slide and telling. Mean of the population, I am having only 5. Yes. 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8 plus 11 divided by 5. We are adding all observations and dividing by number of observations. Yes, yes. Aishwarya, without replacement means a finite only. Finite, yes. This is the mean of the population. We found out even same problem, so we were found out in the last class. Those who are not able to write, those who are not able to understand, do it. I am going to the variance. As you don't have the confusion, X bar, mu, you no need of writing the formula. This is enough, no problem at all. But you should understand that we are taking the population, so you should write the answer in such a way. The number of observations, population is a 5. So we are writing, and the mean of the population which we found out is 6. Yesterday we found out, we got 3.29. I am moving to the next slide. Yes. Yes. Sampling without replacement, it is a finite population. Already we have seen how many elements we will be getting. The sample size will be NCN. N is the population, small letter n is the sample size. So 5C2 observations, that means 5C2 sample we will be getting. You see here, I am 1, 2, 3, 2, 6, 2, 8, 2, 11. In the previous case, it was not like that. We have taken 3, 2, 6, 2, 8, 2, 11, 2, all that we took. Why? We are replacing it back. Here, without replacement. without replacement. So same thing here also. We are doing it. Yes, I will see the answer. Wait. So we will be writing 6, 8, 6, 11, 8, 11, all that. Okay. So 10 sample size. We got size of the sample is 10. Yes, those who are writing, those who are listening, if you have noted, we will go to the next slide. You understand the problem and do it. Yes. Mean is same thing only we will get, whether it is finite or infinite population sample which we are getting, finite or infinite, it will be the same, but variance will be changing. Can I move to the next slide, all of you? David is not there. Or Rini David, or whatever maybe, I don't know. And Rohan, G section. What about Sanjana, E section? Suhas, are you there? Suhas, Sanjana. Where is Tejaswini? Kailash? All are there? Okay, okay. Okay, Tejaswini and Suhas are there. Okay. I am going to take the next slide. Any doubt means you should write here, then only I can clear it. Yeah. Now I am taking the mean of that observations. 2, 3. 2 plus 3 divided by 2, 2.5. 2 plus 4, you have written, that is what? Previous slide, according to the previous slide, I am telling 2 plus 4 divided by 2 plus 6 divided by 2, 4. 2 plus 8 divided by 2, 5. 2 plus 11 divided by 2. All these mean we are finding. All these mean we are finding. So we have sample means. Okay. Then 2 plus 3 divided by 2. Have you got the observation? That means sample have you got? Did you get it? Janavi, have you got the sample? Did you get it? Yes or no, you tell. Sample have you got? Then you actually mean each observation, that 2 comma 3, 2 plus 3 divided by 2 we are writing. 2 plus 3 divided by 2, 2 plus 6 divided by 2, 2 plus 8 divided by 2, 2 plus 11 divided by 2, 3 plus 6 divided by 2. Are you getting, Janavi? Like that you ask, then only I can tell you, is it? Class means I can come to each one of you. This is not possible here. Did you get? Can I show the next slide? Yes. My regular students also not talking with me. Okay. I am losing my friends. Yes. So mean we have seen, which is equal to 6 itself. 6 itself. Yes. We got mean of the sample and mean of the population, 6 itself. Now, finite population formula we have learned, sigma square by n into n minus n by n minus 1. Value is tallying or not, my value is correct or not, you check it. I am a lazy person, I have not calculated. Did you calculate? My friends, all of you, answer is correct or not, you tell me. Yes, Dinesh, Aditya, Aishwarya, Rohan. Where is what happened, Rohan? Today no answer. Nishita, what is the answer, you tell? Correct. No, you calculated or not, you tell me. Gautam. 2 point. Okay, all right. Okay, Nishita. Okay. Approximately, Gautam. Yes. Gayatri. Yes. All right. Okay. So, this tally. This tally. Okay, all right. All of you, did you get it? So, two different types of problem, with replacement and without replacement, a standard problem, 10-mark question you will be getting. This time whether we will have 3 hours or 2 hours test, or whether we will have exam or not, or anyway, this is an easy question, you can do it without any difficulty. Some exam will happen. Last time you escaped without exam. Can I move? Can I move? Yes. Somebody says no, only I will wait, otherwise how can I wait? Next problem, little different. Yes, Suhas. Now you read it. Read the problem. Akshada, CSEA, are you there? Read problem, all of you. Okay. What all you could understand from the problem, first you find out. That means what data they have given. Question is from which topic, how can you do it, all that you think. It is a little different type, little complicated. Mean of certain normal population is equal to standard error of the mean of the samples of 64 from that distribution. Such a long sentence. The mean of certain normal population. What is the mean? Sampling distribution only question definitely. How you will identify? Sample word is there, population word is there, so you can identify it. These are the layman work I am telling to you. Yes. And now I will ask questions. The mean of certain normal population. What is the letter which we will be, Greek alphabet, which we will be using to represent the mean of population? Yes. Mu. Mu is the mean of population. Yes. Okay. Mu. Okay. Standard error of the mean of the samples of 64 from that distribution. Standard error formula. Standard error, only one formula only I have given. Mu by Sigma by root n. Yes, yes, sigma by root n. So many answers. Sigma by root n, not mu by root n. Sigma by root n. By mistake, I think I has written sigma by root n. What is this 64? The mean of certain normal population is equal to standard error of the mean of the samples of 64 from that distribution. Okay. Find the probability that the mean of the sample size 36 will be negative. First we have taken one sample. Next they are asking find the probability that mean of the sample of size 36 will be negative. So two different values are there that you should understand. Now we will come to the slide and what data whatever you have told I have written whether it is correct or not we will be seeing. Okay. Standard error is sigma by root n what you have told what I have written also correct. Sample size n is equal to 64. Okay. Then that lengthy sentence which they have told what they have told mean of a certain normal population is equal to the standard error of the mean of the samples of 64 from that distribution. So mu is equal to sigma by root n. Here n is 64, so we got sigma by 8. Till there it is clear or not, all of you check. Next part I should explain, then only you can understand it. Till there clear all of you? All my students? Yes. Okay, question is clear. So we are going to the next step. Since it is a sampling distribution, we know that probability they are asking in the problem. Probability they are asking in the problem means we need that standard normal distribution table we need. If we want to read that standard normal distribution table, our variable should not be x. It should be in terms of z. So sampling distribution, our conversion is z equal to x bar minus mu by sigma by root n. Am I correct or not? Sampling distribution means you should take this substitution. Normal distribution means it is x minus mu by sigma. This is sampling distribution, that is why you are taking this substitution. Understand it? Yes. Already in the previous slide you have seen mu is equal to sigma by 8. Sigma by 8. What is Aishwarya's doubt is she is telling about why it is sigma by 6 weight. Here you see the population, about the population problem I will take. Sorry, I came down. The mean of, that is why that sentence you read I told. Mean of a certain normal population. Population. It is clear, Aishwarya? That long sentence you should cut it and find out. Okay, all right. So many are having the doubt about that. Okay. Now it is clear, I think. Any doubt means stop me and I will explain. Then sigma by root n. Root n is the, now we are talking about that small sample which we have taken from that population. So we got sigma by 6. Now you should do some writing work, then only you will be able to get this. As I have taken the reciprocal of it and I have multiplied it. and simplified it. You do it whether I am correct or not, you check it. Is this correct or not? Or check it. Okay, all of you. Left hand side is Z. Yeah, can I move? All of you, whether you could understand, this is a little complicated problem. Yes, I am moving. Now our question is, let me go back to the problem. Find the probability that the mean of the sample 36 will be negative. Find the probability that mean of the sample size 36 will be negative. Mean of the sample is denoted by which?
Yeah. Salt and fire and your
Mean of the sample, which letter we will be using, how we will be representing? Anyone? Mean of the sample, how we will be representing? X bar, yes. Agna, X bar, yes. X bar. Ritika, now you were not there here. You are there. Yes, yes, you joined early today. Good. Okay. Now we got X bar should be, find the probability that mean of the sample size 36 will be negative. We are going to that. Now I have written, is it, now you see the slide, I will explain. Z is less than 0.75, X bar is negative, I have told. Why I told like that? Okay, 6 is a constant, sigma is a constant, sigma is a positive square root of variance, sigma standard deviation is the positive square root of variance, both cannot be negative. Yes, so that should be positive. When Z is equal to, Z here, X bar should be negative means I am taking that 3/4 to the left side, then Z plus 3/4 I will be getting. Z plus 3/4 is coming in the left side. Right side will be 6x bar by sigma. So 6 cannot be negative, sigma cannot be negative, X bar should become negative. That means that part, this part should become negative means this Z should be less than 3/4. Less than 3/4. That means negative value we are considering should be less than 3/0.75. So we were taking it as X bar is negative means that should be less than 0.75. Negative part we are taking, actually negative part. So we were getting it should be less than minus infinity to 0.75. So we are getting it as 0.5 plus 2734. The value, the probability for that, we are getting it as 0.7734. Is it clear or not? You check it. Whether clear or not, you write down and check it. Where it is not clear, ask. Yes, Rohan is clear. Who else? Not clear? Are you getting it or not? You check. Since it is only we are thinking how the negative value will be. Can you? Once again I should tell. Yes. Yes. Akshaya. Yes. 19th slide I should show. After that I will explain. Okay. Okay. Now you see this. I will come by 2021. Right. Can I move? Then I can move. Okay. Okay. Dinesh. Next step you see. Is it clear or not? You check. Akshay. Akshaya. Can I explain? You see, I am having z plus 3 by 4 equal to 6x bar by sigma I am having. I should get 6x bar by sigma as negative I should get means negative value I should get means what you should have actually minus 3 by 4 if I am getting minus 3 by 4 means it will become 0. Am I correct? Minus 3 by 4 means it will become 0. Shaya. If it is minus 3 by 4, it will become 0. Yes. So, it should be less than that value. Minus 3 by 4. That is what? So, we will be considering because of the symmetry part. Yes. Got it? Okay. That means that we are assuming how the negative value will come. How the negative value will come? 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 will become 0. So that it should be less than that. Then only it will be possible. Okay. Can I move? Move to the next slide. Can I move to the next slide? Yes. All of you? Okay, okay. Next problem you should do it yourself. Next problem you should do it yourself. That is the last problem today we are doing. Yes. A normal population has mean 0.1 and standard deviation 2.1. Find the probability that the mean of a sample size 900 will be negative. What is 0.1? What is 0.1? What is 0.1? Mu. Yes, correct, correct. Yes, yes. Okay. What is 2.1? Standard deviation. Okay, sigma. Actually, one point you should ask, I did not tell about yes, I taught you yes, but till now we did not come across yes. We will be seeing it afterwards. So such a question is not come. Okay, all right. Find the probability that mean of a sample of size 900 will be negative. Any idea do you got or not? You tell me. Should take the slide or not? Are not writing anything as Varsha is writing something? Yes, Dinesh also. Oh, answer is there. Okay, we will check it what my answer is tallying with yours or not. Let us check. Yes, Rohan, 3. At least I should get 4 answers. Yes, yes. Okay, all right, I will check it. So, as you told, mean we got, standard deviation we got, sample size we got, x bar we are not knowing, mean mu we are knowing. This is the representation for you. Sampling distribution. Certain points you should remember always. X bar minus mu by sigma by root 10. So x bar minus 0.1 divided by whatever may be. I am getting a value like this. Am I correct or not? But I have written here this. X bar minus 0.1 by 0.07. Answer is, mine is answer tallying or not. I have to check that much only. You are always correct. Okay. Yes. Students, all of you, whether you are following or not, just you check it whether you are getting it or not. Yes? Can I change the slides? We question. I will go back to the problem and check it once again. Find the probability that mean of a sample of size 900 will be negative. Mean of a sample of size 900 will be negative. So x bar we are asking. So we will be writing x bar is negative means we should get x bar less than 0. Yes. So we are getting it as x bar 0.1 plus 0.07 z is less than 0. So I have rewritten it as 0.07 z is less than minus 0.1. Expression is correct. Are you understanding or not? I have taken it to the right side. It is an inequality. So x bar should be less than 0 means z should be less than 0.1 by 0.7. Yes, it is less than minus 1.43. So we are getting the answer 0.764. You write down and check whether you are getting it or not. Yes, all of you got the answer. I am waiting for other students only. Rohan, where you went? Had lunch? Vishnudeep, you only had lunch. Okay, all of you got answer 0.076. Those students could not understand, you write no, then only I can explain again. Okay, Vishnudeep, okay. All right, okay. No, I thought that it is time for lunch, so you might have had it. I will recheck it, Rohan. I will recheck it. Okay. Krishnaditya, this one you want? This one you want? Where it has gone, you rolled less than 0.75, what we took, well, I will check it once again, okay? Wait, this I will finish and I will go back. Where, what I should tell Krishnaditya about this? What I should tell, where I should tell, what I, from first one, so, this problem. Okay, after that I will come back, Rohan. We will cross check it. The normal population has mean 0.1 and standard deviation 2.1. Find the probability that the mean of the sample size 900 will be negative. So mean of the population mu, standard deviation sigma 2.1 and sample size small n 900. Till there it is clear. So we are taking, it is a sampling distribution, we are taking converting x to z, we are taking this substitution. So x bar minus 0.1 by this much. This calculation did you get? Did you get? Okay. Then x bar is equal to 0.1 plus 0.07 z. Here I think it is more clear this way. Then it will be actually, okay, first this we will finish and, okay, x bar, mean of the sample should be negative, they are telling. So I wrote it, x bar is less than 0, I wrote. X bar is less than 0 means from the previous slide 0.1 plus 0.7 z should be less than negative. Less than 0. This line is correct, Krishna? Yes. Next, I have brought this 0.1 to the right hand side, inequality. So we brought it to the right hand side, or add and subtract, you think. Add and subtract minus 0.1 for both sides. Then it will be clear. Is it clear, Krishna? Okay. So next I have brought this 0.07 to the denominator. Yes. Then when I calculated, I got minus 1.43. Till there is it clear? Krishnaditya, is it clear? Yes. So I will show the picture. Minus 1.43. Minus 1.43 is coming in the left hand side. What we will do? From minus infinity to 0, it is 0.5. From 0 to 1.43. That means because of symmetry, we will take it as positive 1.43. So we got the answer as 0.5 minus 0.4236. You should take your normal distribution table and check it. Now value is coming or not? Understood. Now I will solve the problem of Rohan. I will cross check that what mistake I have done. Rohan is telling. Yes. Rohan, come on. Yes. the mean of a certain population, normal population equal to the standard error of. Rishida also telling what mistake I have done. Let me check it. Sigma by 8. Oh, yes, correct. You are correct. Z is less than minus 3 by 4. Yes, minus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4, it is 0 means it should be minus 0.75. It should be less than 20 slide. Yes, correct, Rohan. Yes, then our value will change, is it? Our value will change, is it? What is the value then we have to write? Make correction, children, all of you. Yes. One negative sign I missed. Figure you should draw separate. Minus 0.5, 0.5. You will find out yourself. Okay, that is enough. I will correct it and send the slide. Okay. 0.5 minus, you see all others. Small correction is there. I missed negative sign. 0.5 minus 0.2374. The answer is coming as 0.2626 or 226. 2626 only, Rishida? Okay, 2626. Okay. Oh, okay, Rohan. Thank you. So we will wind up. Actually, I did not teach anything new. We were doing the problems, whatever we have learned in the link distribution has completed. Monday you will be having a separate, Tuesday you will be having a separate session. After that, sampling distribution, if you want revision, we will go, or what you are deciding according to that, we will be continuing the classes, all of you. First mid we are having 2.5 units only. I have completed 2 and 3 by 4th unit. That means me and Riyasuddin sir together we have completed 2 plus 3 by 4th unit we have completed. So now you can, it is in your foot, you have to take a decision. So now what questions you are going to answer today? Quiz, can I start quiz? Whatever you have learned, you can all together. How MITs are conducted, that central team, state team, all that they will decide. I have to teach, you have to study what are your problems, I have to, or we have to solve, our COSM team has to solve, that much only at present we know. The remaining all, they will decide. Why should we waste our time? Yes. I know I am sending every day. Samarjit Singh, I am sending every day. And also, okay, okay. Anything you are not getting, you ask your CRs. They are responsible for that. Anything you missed, you got the first unit, you got second unit. Did you get the third unit, whatever I taught? All of that. Anything is there right here. Again, I will announce in the class. CRs, all CRs. You should take initiative. At least you send that slides to your friends. What we are sending. All recorded session, all PPT, PDF, everything we are sending. Yes, practice I will give you. Okay, I thought that I am going for the revision in the next class. That is why I did not give that extra questions. Okay, I will send it. But let me see whether I am coming for the revision for the sampling distribution, normal distribution and uniform distribution we have done revision, is it? Yeah, again, more problems you want, I will send it. Yes, more problem. Okay, first unit, second unit, third unit, more problems, I will send it. No problem. Okay, all right. So we will go for the quiz. All whatever you have learned in this sampling distribution, same thing. Today I did not teach anything extra, only problems. Okay, so I am not giving any recap. Everything you know. Any doubt means you ask. I am stopping.